Okay, you guys, it is Monday night and we're at the Rio. I've been playing a little bit off camera, and I have 140 plus the 500 plus the initial 500. So what's that? 1140. So let's try to get a 5% win, which is about 55 bucks. And I'll see you guys in the casino. And we're gonna, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to get 3 hits after an extreme. After 2, 3, 11, or 12, I'll put 70 across. So let's see how that works. And I'll see you guys at the machine. Before extremes, 7, then an extreme. Last on roll is 11, so let's see what we can do here. 5, 5, 10, there we go. 4 right there. Let's take that 10 down. And instead of going on the 10, let's see what the last number hit was a 4. Yeah, 10 hasn't hit in a while, so let's go 6 on the 10. 71 out.
Single the field, out on 10. Place your bet.
Last time I've been playing, the 10's been bringing the
Put some money on the odds. It pays double on the 10. Let's get a roll.
10's been bringing 7, so let's go like
9. Down behind. Don't come. Go to the 9. Flip. 6. Down behind. Don't come. Travel to the 6. Please place your bets. 3 craps. Come away. Pay the don't. Single the field. Please place your bets.
let's try that again.
Take odds. Lay odds. Come back. Field bet. How about some hard ways?
4 here. Let's go 17 minus the 4 that we had on the horn. Let's take that down. So we're at 162. Sorry, we're at 140, so we're at 22.
Let's see some hard 10 money.
Let's just go 10 on the 4.
2 craps. craps, snake eyes. Come away. Pay the don't. Double the field.
I want to go on horn bet,
Time
but
to place your bets. Take odds.
7 has a roll in the bottom.
5 fever. Down behind. Don't come trouble to the 5. It's time to place your bets. 8 easy. Down behind. No field 8. It's time to place your bets.
168.
Don't forget your odds. Better. 5 down behind.
That's a monster
no
roll.
field. Don't come. Go to
5 again.
5 down behind. No field. Don't come. Go to the
7.
7 out.
Let's get a couple more 7s.
Line away. Pay the don't, and the last stop, pay behind. 4 easy. Mark the 4. Down behind. Single the field. The point is 4. Yo 11. Take the don't. Good in the field and come. Please place your bets.
Got a feeling that 7. There it is, too. I knew it was going to come.
Seven's a bruiser.
They usually come in bunches.
A loser. Hit the don't and the last come bet. Pay behind. 5 fever. No
get one more roll.
Down behind. And our point is
God damn it, ball.
4 hard. Field is a winner. Hard 4 pays 8 for 1. It's time to place your bets. All the tough guys are available. Bet it up. 9 down behind.
I paid 14, but we lost the 4 right there.
It's time to place your bets.
So that's back up to 165. So let's go 5.
6 easy 6 down behind. No.
6 again.
6 down behind. Don't come. Travel to this.
8. Man, 6 is an
8
8.
easy down behind. No field 8. 5 down behind. No field. Don't come. Go to the 5. 3 craps. Line away. Pay the don't. We're
I probably
coming
should
out.
play the horn, but
Please place your bets.
7 hasn't hit in a minute, so we're just gonna keep on. Get it
7
After.
front line winner. Pay the line. Pay behind. Please place your bets.
Let's go up 2 more. 7 back there. 4 again.
4 easy. Mark the 4. Down behind. Single the field. The point is 4. It's time to place your bets. Take odds. Lay odds. Come back. Field bet. How about some hard ways? 10 big bet. Down behind.
I paid 29 minus 4.
It's time to place your bets.
We're at 178.
Come back. Field bet.
So
All
we
the
started
hard
at
ways.
140,
Please place
so
your
we're up
bets.
38. So 5 ones here.
7 out 7. Right away. Warm beer, cold dice.
12.
12 craps boxcars. Line away. Bar the don't. Double in the field. Place your bets. We're coming out. Craps. Yo. High low. C&E. Lucky shooter bet.
7.
Yo 11. Take the don't. Pay the line.
I started,
We're coming out.
I started to play
Place
the
your bets.
horn bet too. Damn, 10.
10, easy 10. Single the field and we're out on 10. Place your bets. the field. 7 out. Out 7. Line away. Pay
Let's
the
get a
dough
repeater.
and the last. Yo 11. Front line winner. Still coming out. 5 alive. No field. Down behind. The point is
I
5.
think that 7's coming.
It's time to place your bets. 7 out 7. Line away. Warm beer.
Let's see if we can get a repeater.
It's time to place your bets.
Back to back.
3 craps. Line away. Pay the dough. Come out roll. Place your bets.
So
Take odds. Lay odds.
To get
Come
8.
back. Field bet. How about some
that would be
hard
10, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1. That'd be a $56 bet. Just won $8. So let's do it.
Easy 8. No field. Down behind.
So
Place
clear.
your bets.
Put us at 202. So we made 60 bucks. Actually, we could have stopped at 190. Actually, so let's print this ticket out. Went over the 5%. Could have stopped at 190. And thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button. We can get this video out. Okay, leaving the Rio. So we're up profit 700 this month. So I have the 200 plus the 500 winnings, and we still have the 500 that we started with. So we're basing everything on 1,200. So we need to get a 5% win on the 1,200, which will be about 60 bucks on the next video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.